I have done all my best to try, and I'm so good, I'm a very good marketer. So I have done all my best. I don't know capacity. Pale basha ya nanga ya maresha ya nkang harumo matunda na garo chamba. Tanangi waso harumo avocados get 20. Now ni mashungwa 20. Now ni maembe 20. Nairobi tangri yard. But I had a very bad neighbor. Kwa gira na lolduga nyebolo. Meloru airau na fence ankanga waya keloru ake ni tau.
Mashungwa
airau ena kunaje ko amuru angeko fence anga.
Why will he do that?
Nirau ake no shoyingishu. Amume yu mashindano.
Mashindano nyo
mayolo.
Kwa digegri shindana kila mtu na yake.
Najua na longa loru. Najua na longa loru ni kijeru nwankara ni yungwa kanisa.
Oh yeah.
Nigera kora avocado samori bulu rani yawo, they are like 2 to 3 meters. Ziko hapa. Mwesha nilo rada nenda shere nebo. Nemara inderisi daya nenewa, so it is good soil, very fertile.
Na yagera bulu.
Yagera bulu vizuri, mashungwa, everything. It was coming up very well. Norigijana yaba among kulofunti yaba lero braktia naji kwa Big Foundation nige pekengana yango. So yagera ba guarantee ajo in 3, 4, 5 years tutaanza kula fruits. Kwa yaba daibulo mande na ile moro maibo sinyangarna monga saroyolo, although he's late niraongeko ne oshogingishu. Nigi donana bolonki bonu kure laba avocado bolunga yeni subui
Erenedi.
Erigile do any innocent ngome rigila baga no dore, you know, you may realize when you in ngishu. Tabala do yendo na John Maisuri, tabala do yendo naji. There was nothing. Tabala do yesuguma makara basukuma na tuno mposho. Naron kajoka majola na gaitesia, but all I know naron tebo. You know kole bayo ngoro jamba lainji na ushulini. Ngara ine jo winangu nini rogiti chichijini hata bado kajo my son was 9 that time, the second born was I think 7. Nara nakitena naketa nara kazi nenyana nano na irubulwa pale jo ngara ni wi nice nebaroni pale na jiro yake mama kuna sukuma, mama kuna machungwa, hakuna avocado kwa hiyo aidha nara nice nika
Kai people can be man.
Because in this life, can lo mwisho.
Yes.
Tada murajo, this was a woman I was financially stable.
Very.
I had everything that I needed in life.
Yes.
For my children, for my husband, and I was sufficient.
For everyone, the extended family.
Even the extended family. And then now circumstances have happened. I came from 100 to 0. So from a giver to a beggar. Such moments which may cost life out of one.
Yes. The decisions people make in family.
It's okay, ma'am.
So karibuni, we have a launch on this book, and you can get these books. I'll give Mary my number.
Yeah.
My number is 0721 2830 21. Rachel Korompoi. Launching itakuwa Manzul Restaurant, Menengai Road, Upper Hill.
Upper Hill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now entrance fee ni 5,000 for those who will pay late, and for early risers you can pay 3,000.
Yes.
I'll give Mary my till number, and you are welcome. You support this dream, we reach more women.
Mary Supet Show, inspiring lives.
Nile Mary Supet Show, karibu sana. Keep you part 2 Dr. Rachel Seneyia Korompoi. Kayola jumura pa njare vigira ingore na video netu abaidol lankai video last week. Tafadhali don't watch this one, go watch part 1 and then you come to part 2. Ya mama na imaya namba kumbuko leng, but she's so aggressive. Yani aliamua hapana. Imagine shoma mpaka ne Kenya randa na mayole neti. Kwa hili yo kigravo dugo ya karibu sana kaji Mary Supet neleshao aka na yawo sim na grajo ki subscribe to our YouTube channel. Na kwa grejo mom. Nikije your pastor ya. Hadi your pastor. Rolda nada. Melonsera nyala salisia ilanga nini. Melonsera nyango rongania. Wale doda le pastor na family friend. Keyo langanga ka yolo. So ne yolo la sala, ne yolo yeyo yani. Keyo yolo. Na jogi melonsera nyala salisia ilanga nini dana tungi. Kanyo vinge subject on to this. Na isumayo no shivas na jona mwana mpotevu akarudi nyumbani. Ule aliyekuwa akilisha nguruwe. Yes.
Kayo longa jogore Ariana Waso, I have done all my best to try and ajudamudo wajogi I'm so good, I'm very good marketer. So I have done all my best. Aronyua capacity. Pare bashere nanga ya mareshere nkang arumo matunda na garo chamba. Tenangi waso arumo avocados like 20. Now ni mashungwa 20. Now ni maembe 20. Nairobi tangri yard. But I had a very bad neighbor. Kola gira na loldoga nyebol. Meloru ero na fence ankanga waya. Keloru yake ni tau.
Ni mashungwa le.
Airau ena kunaje ko. Amuru ange ko fence anga.
Why will he do that?
Nirau yake no shoyungishu. Amume yu mashindano.
Mashindano nyo
Mayolo.
Kwa digegri shindana kila mtu na yake.
Najo na longa loru. Hajo na longa loru ni kijeru anonkara ni ngwa kanisa.
Oh yeah.
Nigera kora avocado samori bulu ranyawo they are like 2 to 3 meters. Ziko hapa. Mwisha nilo hizo rada nenda shere nebo na mara enderisi daya nenwa so it is good soil, very fertile.
Na yagera bulu
vizuri mashungwa everything it was coming up very well. Na rigijana yaba among kulufundi abale robragia naji kwa every foundation nige ngana yango. So egera ba guarantee ajo in 3 4 5 years tutaanza kula fruits. Kwa hiyo baba yulo mande na yulo ile moro maibo sinyangarna mola sa royolo although he's late ni raongeko ne oshogingishu nigi donana bolon kibonu kure la roba avocado bolunga yeni subui
ereneri
erigile do yani ino sengile ngome rigila baga ne odore you know imeyola ese venyo hine ngishu tabala do yendo ginajon maisuri tabala do yendo ginaji there was nothing tabala do yesukuma makara basukuma na tuno mbosho naron kajoka mayola na gaitesia but all I know naron debo you know kore ba ngoro jamba lanji na ushulini Leye rungara ine ya jowi nangu nini rogiti chichijini arata bado kajo my son was 9 that time, the second born was I think 7. Nara nakitena naketa nara kazi nenyana nano na irubulwa pale jongara ni wa unuwi nice
nebaroni
pale na jiro yake mama hakuna sukuma, mama hakuna machungwa, hakuna avocado kwa hiyo aidha nara nice miga.
Okay, people can be bad.
People can be evil. Na lawa bado. Kore bao shogi ara endomono ni nabor pasta ili nako.
Na wale nyaba yale no.
Mezi?
Aunge mpigia kuja.
Hata nikimpigia yuko karibu. I think that day alikuwa ameenda kwa mama. I think alikuwa ameenda huko home sasa pande za Najili. So nanwage na ruserungi na. So I was so broken. Najao shogi na romononi. Wale pasta ilon marei. Nelotu na ajoja na singa nedo wenga jam kore rara munga nyeje nyosha yegi minirajo kere lego nyamuke bani tungo shuguloge amure jara me yuma shindano tada mura yegi tuno rangani no na rado
Eme unsine nene.
Ngira interview oltung'anak era mashindano.
Like, eme enkop naijo nini.
Nijali, kanyo peasita more than.
What kind of people are those?
I don't know. I still wonder too. I still don't comprehend.
Why?
Najoki natomono nini enkitok orpastai taa o reverend. Najoki milaka aliki amu kesakutisho. Ekiyaki enyamali. Tapala.
Yeah, because kore oltung'ani osina naa wickedness nanyaka alang irpolosio.
Najoki tapala miliki ake. Najoki nkukui ainei nainos kaata apa nkukui naijo ntare ijo nkailer. Najoki ata nena kukui tapaliki ake yie Enkai. And my dear,
kore kukui alichukua
alikulisha umbwa. Pia kuku nakuta moja imeumwa na umbwa, imevunjika mguu, yani nenya deni ngui. Memory ninye amu there are so many kage ningwa a lot of injuries. Kage dumungara inija bwa bige ngumuro nikibejo. And it was one of our saddest day. So from that day, nija rendered through poverty.
Yeah.
Nikidolta ino olong osina losipa.
Ajebu.
Amu mekure naa duo kiata sukuma. Tapala duo yie moire la duo yake. So nikiaku bea. Mukura apa niumonu mpuka. Ndau ake sukuma niara nkera inonok enkurma. Asi nikitoni tadamira ore kuna kera malindi ing'ua. Nkera apa naatang'otonye olduka le kule. Kore kule ninye breakfast. Nenya isinkirr nenya inkiri. Yani Kenya nkera balanced diet.
Yes.
From that transition mara moja chua
iliwa affect
to white rice and githeri every day. Kwa gani ndio jina leo tunakula githeri kwa raha zao. Sasa ni compulsory. Tenemor githeri ndio mshelibor. Paga lorure ile pasta ya joki media. Kwa ina ba joki ile pasta nija nereru atum damunot na bashari. I started now praying. God, just know how will get me out of this place. And I prayed. Now, I think niliomba geni hiyo mwaka. And na mwaka ilikuwa ni refu. Wacha nikwambie masiku ni refu ukiwa na shida. Aishi. Tukaomba niloru angaijitor mare nikinterua omon. Na reto yengititita yake sininya na ya mageke ya marene bogage. Evi nani nyane ntita ya mwana olewa na kijana. Ambaye ananiita mama. Sasa najoki mama marumo narum prayer partner we could nigira ndomono gamu eroishe sininya na roishe sina noso ndomono gare na go fasting we could do dry fast. Yes, a whole day niginya ndage wari ka da na rigi miss na goda dage riba no durungi gino sergali na yo durungi gino ser mushele bo, and that was a miracle by itself
because we don't have an alternative. And what is your husband doing?
Nothing.
Because ninyala wanda. Ninyala wanda ile mali.
Yes. Nothing. Mera gani na hara income. Mera kwa nana noba nana na biashara etuduga.
Na kama dui na gare gradi kunda.
I reached out to mali like looking forward. Looking forward. Now this is you'll have to know what you're going to do. So I had this mind. I'm going to sell cakes and it will give me income. And I tried. And that is what we could do. We could still do those little cakes. I connect my sister and I connect so I could do the cakes. I could still go to the shop. I do the baking. So I could get very little income. Very little. Na enendake. Najona au loan. In fact, I talked with KWFT. Nebo nunagade waso mekenyoko. Na loruna loan. Another thing that broke the camel's back. Na loan to ye shori 100,000 pa inyangu na machine na slice mogarini. Ore nejo kuna gitwaka. Megenjo ngirwa na yena yaga oltung'ani lusholo. Nejia megenjo megesa inagiyana loan. Nejia inagagi loan amu kore unamu kateni ne kayiloga ajo oshi if you know how to do baking kore engurma ngano onkilo yare kinjo mukateni kinjo 15 to 20 loaves of bread.
Yes.
When you need the flour well. Because there is a way that kore do omukate kera formula ushina inidie. So if you do your formula well, kinjo mukate again making less than 15.
Mukate kuna
loaf bread.
500 grams.
Yes.
15 of them.
Yes. It will give you that.
That's a lot.
Because it may multiply now because you do yeast. So kinjo make karibu 20. So the year they need to make 2 kgs of flour.
That
it will kinjo nye mukate ni. You'll make even profit. The nigga na gurma at 100 marriage near. You might get 300 shillings. It will give you a profit of 200. That is automatic. You know, she buy a goal in a jogi. Bakery has gone down.
Yes.
Bakeries cannot go down.
Yeah.
Because their profit is above 50%. Yes.
Wow.
Remember, you are 400 grams. They have taken from them 100 grams. So they are making, if by my statistics right now, you do a factory of breads, you are making, even after all the whatever, 10 years ago, good capital and investment, it will give you profit. Within 1 year, umerudisha profit yako.
What was happening with the loing'ang'e limo? Kikenapa?
That loing'ang'e.
Because yani you are hardworking, but there's something that has
blocking. Yes, I block, but there was a lot of oppression in that place. Because he was like my brother. So he had this attachment with me. He was a servant of God.
Yeah.
He had so many spiritual children.
Yeah.
Like if you are a young man, you are saved and you want to do holy matrimony, my father will stand from you from head to toe.
Yeah.
And stand for the girl. Wow. So kera bele kijana attachment onano, personal attachment ambaba alimshika. So he will come just to pray. Just to pray. Mungu anitoe mahali pale. And we prayed until one day, it was on 24th February. 24th February 09. Na ushogi my sister. Aroshogo prior January. Na jogi ngania. Recho ninakuja kusalimia wazazi tarehe 24 mwezi wa pili kuja. Na jogi mara na nutikit. Na mwalimu tana aroshogo. Na jogi mimi sina fare. Kwani biashara yako mkati ilienda aje? Na jogi ni story of another day. Wewe nitumie mimi fare nikuja kwanza kwa sherehe yako. Na jogi kaisha kidogo na nutikit. Pilo tu.
Keloro nyero ginto
ganya luruki ngala ina doba na ko keyu nani kibonu pogin siblings adwa ginyo ena sherehe.
Yes.
Hadi niketi sina pesa. Mama sina pesa kabisa. Ndio alafu najua wewe vile mtumi nitafika. Hadi akarengai. Kada muraje we have prayed gajo for 6 months. If now there was a time that God came himself, ndio shinaji Mungu kuja. Usitumane ni usiku. Alikuja. Peke yake hivi.
Yes.
Ametengeneza sherehe nyumbani kwetu. Wewe si Mungu,
ni Mungu.
Nala alijanga ila sarabari ro ngidongi naimwa na minengi yoba na rasmi ngante nala alijina jewe. Mama igorora nditona ngariena mugera sherehe. Na jogi shomota nimishugunye. Yale bya go shomo. Shoma mugilanga ya bulu yola ngangilimo.
Yes.
Nimishugunye rage. No, these are secrets and things. I never knew that. Yeah. Hasi nandi munye na iruwage my sister na jo my sister nganya iruwage na jo na ushogifia na jo igore kutoka mpaka maimasho 100 maimasho mpaka Nairobi 100 lunch nikinyawe ntito 100 mara ringi
navungayo
manabro unara bro mai Nairobi haya mpaka kirengala 100 na jo iruwage 500 simple nejo kairuwage nchara. Najogi sawa.
Yani kindiva poverty
na jogi na utarudi aje? Najogi usijali utanipea kurudi baada ya 1 week, sintarudi after a week. Kage gore vini I have made up my mind. Sirudi. Naro liya na tito na birari ya ruadi. Najogi kora rangera kage magera kaja. Magera shuguni.
Yari ndize siai.
Yana tito engangani. Kia mabura nangai kajo ninya nanu mama. Najogi nyangora ngera ini karuma rangi pesa wewe jua vile utajipanga amuko ni nyumbani and mamangu, that is how God removed me from there. When nabalotu enalo nalotu papa naisho after a 1 week
Niligi nilodu
Ito nyaishir karonda ake very relaxed. Kore kwanza balotu neiruti
ita sasa
kara nabalotu najita ngati niandaba nonguru mer babit sidan meongomo mara nye simple lotion cheapest.
Yes.
Sina nimeparara mpaka sura. Nimekonda mara 5. Yaani unaweza niangalie mtafute unikose. Nikiwiliwili ndio tu iko. Basi kore niruti na ngasa ya pale. Alutu ngenyanda asi. Naton one. Iruro roleng. Nigiro nigenya sherehe sidai ni devayu na bali wiki 1. Wiki 2 ba bodwa utasarwa ajo ikando arangira shugo. Hayo oh, baba mangara na shugo. In a very simple subtle way. But this is ready. Nejo acha. Yenye baba badatu acha. Na yo bad. Magara shugo. Why? Asi naisho 10,000. Hado kinko tabalenda lango kuna saisho monji pangayu pishugo. Nadu mwale mpesa yana bole yana branch ikuti. Alo tuna yaragi na 10,000 na branch ikuti. Now show you my sister and then I najaga na reverend oleritu. Ayo mama jiro la dadi jivashu na magra mashugo. Angasnya lulu mbiyanga na lembiyanga ta. Na lozinya my sister na 10,000.
Nilijo kishomo.
Ingira ralo. Najaga aisho wapi? Ngoye unarisa yi amugatu ndalo tukaruma notu adol. Na isho sinye 10,000. Nalo rubi rengala na bigi kwiti. Hayo Mungu ananipatia capital.
Una save tu.
Mimi na save tu. Na yule brother la leva ya boror lelo levo wenye kila. Hayo kishe mam. Kanyoro era raina kara negura 2 weeks era kagara leke olaba.
Kagira orbaye ngelikonu.
Erejo na baba ninye ore na bajogi emikindu erejo lile megara kaja. Nirage nyakaketon atiaka magira shuni.
Itiaka ye bindu.
Atiaka nyinyi kujeni. Nejo kala nanu lori yoko nyoki. Na katon nanya na ririt nado. Na yoki simple. Masa yenderit nado. Manasa nenyo. Na black. Masa nenyo sarakabuti. Asi. Era ina arata onyoanya ngop. Amara na kanyora siranganya. Yoki merinelo. Basi na kole badala juju randa aggressive ni aggressive nganga dasar balenga je my brother. Kole biwe nyingiro yenye kidogo ajaya nugus kidogo nalenga je my sister. Kole ranga je my sister ni nuks. Mera ni loroi. Kai I understand abaninye in another level. Na kashushi angaya na shirangara na sister.
Na niso jira.
And that buru tandanga mulirito I bunga rolling. I hold her spiritually, mentally and physically. I tinyikwa. She really wanted to know
what is wrong with me.
Asi. Kwa na show sinya my brother some amount of money. Ajaba money never disclose it. Because the buy a lot of us. Na show some a good amount of money. Give me some very good amount of money. Na dumware na la big account.
Tabolo na yara bagi.
Alabolo. Engeju ya nam netiana ikuti diago Mombasa. Nyagu eteluwe ya wana rumi kuti.
Yes.
Na yo yengivia yoni my step brother Logi Jackson, very intelligent and he loves me too much. Yani kanyo renenye. So arabana nungana ko kuni like bunga both spiritually, mentally and physically.
Yes.
Na radio ya gelungana. Me working on the mental health department.
Yes.
Kai go shinarogi mara little bit.
It's okay. Emotional.
Yeah.
It's okay, mom.
Because in this life, can lo ni bayi mwisho.
Yes.
Tada murajo, this was a woman who I was financially stable.
Very.
I had everything that I needed in life.
Yes.
For my children, for my husband, and I was sufficient.
For everyone, even everyone. The extended family.
Even the extended family. And then now circumstances have happened. I came from 100 to 0. So from a giver to a beggar. Such moments she may cost life out of.
Yes. The decisions people make in family.
My dear,
It's okay, mom.
So, their family my sister, Grace, my brother Jackson, and my brother, the elder brother, Noah. When did you talking me, step sister, yes, moral support. She didn't have money because she was a student, but she was here. My beacons of hope.
Yeah.
I reached a point I receive a lot of animosity at home.
At home because of
now my home. My stepmothers became so rough with me. Yeah, because my dad had several women. Jackson is a son of a stepmother.
Yes. Oh, me wanjuka gaba emam babalenu.
No. Kore wega sisu ni borogiri Masai ndoyi or Masai. Yago raya ndoyi are or Masai. Asi na I got a lot of backlash from my stepmothers. To an extent ako but amezeka na ameshikwa na dementia. She doesn't have the capability to fight for me. So I am under the mercy of my family. And my father na kwa shingangije polygamy. Kejo shoriki iriwa lodi families a polygamy.
Yeah.
Na gara inkinyala sabuko.
Ate
ngari agena. Kage maisho nabana nyangai kulorunga nagukuni. Naishangai Jackson, naishangai Grace, naisho David. Na ebunyo leng. Nago kore ara agra aipitia na animosity, I had a place to lean on. Amu ilifika mahali najo baba. Kore longa ra indumo amu ashona ngaje my sister. Megura bana merura. Karone ngewa, yani karone ndama wengi wari. Vile naronda relorira.
Yes.
Na bungira ngeraye. Oda najua jina wangana, I think she was 1.5 years, very young. So karona bungira ngeraye. Na agebuye ura nato na bungira ngeraye manini nyajara na ure. Kai bungira ngeraye meja along my sister ainyororo alale no laba.
Ni dol
Na narito naronda. Tegisa maana binyoga mera pay my alert. Kulorunga gajo I am not asleep. Naisho na gara bedroom amaranga jenkiro nangari yegina kanya law malawu endane malawu ngiraga mandu na law na malawu sim kage nebo ninjaura niago life reality mayolo wajo kamale waso mara na la moga lage sumashanya agela sinanya ngara ini agra ajo kitende weji tenaila shomotua. Now the voices of my stepmothers.
Kegrada kanyobilotu.
Kanyobilotu. You know, it is all about wealth. It is all about wealth. Kumbuka alishamba iko Kitengela. Sawa? So the shughuli anagiyo kejoro alijiba baila nyele shamba. Yaki hakikisha ajeshomo.
Oh.
So I received it hot. It was hot, terrible. So I could sit down along my sister. I was contemplating, I think it was either, I was just to go.
You were contemplating suicide?
Yes, because I had reached that end. I was like, if they don't want me, then I'll leave this baby. And I had the audacity to tell daddy, my father now, Ajo baba minyor taba ngania kara na mangar no gogoyo. So najo baba minyor taba wango magaje nkarna yor gogoyo wango. Nijo ye kanyor. Najo kanyu na garai.
Najo baba lino kanyu
kanyu na garai nalo nano. Najo ngorol tasat najo ki ngani kita. Yo bago ni nyere room. Najo ki arodu ajo meyo rungani nanu la ijali tena. Na gore dialo atanya nanu. Aranye dialo. Mekuraye. Na magira shuko. So baba marore do anu ukweli. Magira shuko waso. Nyago ndo kitinga jage. Iza pattern tene wae. Na baba gara murara yolo iboni. Kanyo baba be mikidek. Pa gore meshina jor Masai. Nikido yori ngolo na do yori nyanano ejo baba she
kera begine
cheche dirare bai boze ngitiar na ba na ibora rakini ayo baba ni jarare jo ayo kaye mai ngwara ngai naroko kai wiki na kititizo na jo baba somo siembo rogo no but Ranoa na our elder brother. Now that was my turnaround. I'm going to sing Yabanga Magres. I told her the same thing. So no shogi na my dad. No shogi Noah. No shogi Grace. Yogi urusinda inamo. Heragolo. Asi nagara rerugi. Niborundilu do. That's a lie. So now there was this discussion. Na ruminya night ya niki nanu all the sins najo nananganya nyana na sambi saya mnyana rejogo yu ngajenye rejogo yu meyuna manyangi degoji ke yuna sharaki ngaji na nyanga gal chamba rozero nyoye na sharaki ngaji najo babe kake ma details. You know these things he saying to my dad. So kore terbuze laina tana yu ngaji tana yuna irabraina ngaji na details na makosa. Ni mimi nimechangia shida ile niko nayo. Kwa maana ningekubali kukaa nyumbani kwa nyumba ya mama yake. Naranyana hapa. Hiyo nilikata.
Aje na watoto wako sasa utaisha na mama.
Sasa tulikuwa tuka mgeji naba melo sijako bajogera ngaji naje manara naje boro nochidoshi naje goswa ilimanyata ne raina ndagi ya jema bati asi ashona ranga burani ya ngaje mabati kayo kora raisha na jema bati mena ya ramwen enenye. So I wanted my house. Nyoga isiraya narabanya my husband the baba lai njere keyu abanyanganya, she's too demanding. Ayo baba
na inaisho mpisa
maybe inaisho na huna bigeros na tangara kinano ajo na nola sad aisho na bisa yetu agora na nwashuko. So
mura na mure
I make up my mind. Inyagwanka yankai
ya mairingiria
nyagwanka yankai na irashiki my brother na irashiki my sister na irashiki Jackson. So korari lo gwenda lo lenge step mother ara
amaigira na shoulder pressure
kore na lo woleng ara le first born, the one of my step till today that boy loves me and I love him so nice support. He stood with me and these two from my mother, they stood with me as nanane jolda sat kore nemingo shomongo rwaldo kare negotita itengala ngorwe ndo kinias that opened heaven.
Yes.
And tinda karage nalo tu aidi banyaba kena nakara yori enda saraba na jima great na ninyana irashiki kuna jijiga baba Simeon lesinget aidi banoraldo ka ashoposo tanda muraje shogi 10 and some other amount, some extra
so
amount.
You have money.
I have some good money. Ara karibu 60 to 50,000. Ara good sai. Asi ni shita orani na my husband ra wengire drama mimi nilikuwa namwangalia
analia
because that time I had reached my threshold. I read your dinagara kama mbaya kama ni kuachana tuachane
neva etuna like etuliki abajo kagrala
meyo megra na bani nye expect jo tenalo ruena sherehe my sister na outcome Nejo najo ongera najo bishomba wananagera. Ate mare ni diborkina kayage. Or I show baba because I no longer need any child.
Yes.
I want to fight for me. Amu era na inagara. Era nanu nagara na the problem. I am the problem here.
Yeah.
Na era na yendo na najo. Mental health is real.
Yes.
And mental health is brought by so many things. Ewe sumash, ewe sina, ewe enkinyala,
Alarabal.
ewe larabal, ewe loneliness. You cannot supply food. Just put food on the table for your children. Be aware there is mental health.
Yes.
Iki madage nyamali ondamunot. Mama angalia viatu yangu. Miniara solution. And be assured that woman or that man will have mental health issues. What a mental health now it is 24 it is kera because something will lack, something will arise.
Yes.
Either family, either children, either financial, there must be. And for you to avoid mental health issues, you must have a way of tackling those issues.
The problem.
The men wabana no mego nagere yeyo na ishangai madonna ngana ragi tieni sai.
Yes.
Probably I could have died.
Yeah.
Yes. Ningejua mimi mwenyewe because I was tired. I was fed up.
Yes.
I was tired of begging. I was tired of staying hungry, not by virtue that I'm praying, but because there's no food. Na kure na mwangiri my husband he will go and will not see him. There was a day nililisha watoto mboga nimenunua kwa shamba hapo Catholic na iko na dawa. Nero ringera inigenge wali mzima. Because that is yani hapo ndo tulifika. Na what I long na ba we na nurare jo na la umungu maranganya ngaro mononi na ngora gina romononi. She cried ni kama nimemletea bad news. Hayo mwana nini anajo yena umungu emirari nga nyendire Korompo. You know, and God sometimes can bring people to remind you who you are. And this woman looked me in my eye and told me, Rachel, emirari ndire Korompo. Yajaji neto todo mwenye tushugo. And kiroga ino riyogo nyogi. I also want to mention her name because she's also a little bit prominent. Hajogi shomongo chomo tushugo kapiti. Rene amumendi mele sinale nako. Tungi yoga ngopang. Tuachie kwetu tungangane na. Kanyo bi umumenda. Ngiro kunanyo kirana ye. Ntiro na sumeni joyi. Kanyo bizi. Why have you reached this level? Go back home. Nini pita na baga na rejol pastor. Chomo tushugo yuana lava prodigal son.
Yeah.
And you know, when she gave me na shonkurumanari jogonyari. Na jogamana una jogonyari, for how long will you eat? And that one also opened my mind. So kenega voices, people, and sometimes situations become too much. When we are talking about mental health is real. If my sister didn't stand with me and listen and embrace me na jogi eregi baba era joshi agendogi niginya tujisha long after katikati na jogi kanyera bigiligi. I could have tackled that one too. You know, and sometimes those are the people we need. People who will stand and face evilness. Kitu kama ni mbaya neji ketofonana inkinyalena na gisidayena na ketofonena na atabalena. When you come to me right now like you are going maybe through financial difficulties, I don't have to judge you. I should listen. The first step to the financial issues and how to tackle them. Now you need an hearing. Listen and don't judge.
Yes, listen and don't judge.
Don't judge. You're very smart. What you are going through.
Yes.
So when somebody comes to you, listen and don't judge. Also, don't give up on people.
Chances
nyana sidan. Nimemaanisha jo teninyamalara na guarantee pinyamalra isiri. So na hold nanu lelo tung'anak lainei nalotu nabol ilo duka. I opened a shop.
Wow.
Yes.
Back to business.
Back to business.
You're not even thinking about applying jobs?
No. I am a businesswoman. My dear, I think I am an entrepreneur. I have seen once ukifanya biashara, my dear, sijui kama utakubali kuajiriwa. Biashara ni mzuri. Taniki njo shianga your line is once you realize your niche, like this is what you run with it. You see what you are doing right now. If God favors you in this line, you will become like Winfrey Ofra.
Amen.
One day.
Amen.
Because if this thing is inside of you,
yes,
it will feed you. It will make you rich. The blessings of the Lord make it rich. That is what the Bible says. Yeah. So once you get what you know how to do and do it well, be assured you will be blessed.
Yes.
Tayo laye to manage yanga ira nagishu na enjoy ndo duaki and my bonga. Ukishika batoni yako kimbia nayo utabarikiwa. So nikaanza kupika keki tena. Animosity iko lakini si sana. Na wale lungana la joma anyo le nalam. Kwa ulola anyo ole uloli jiji nalam. Kwa ulola rayeti but naisha embrace because God will always send for you helpers on your time of need.
Amen.
So kwa naba lola la embrace my brothers, they embraced me. They held me. My young brother Lola Jovi Jackson, he even, I don't know whether he was paying that house. All I know is that I lived in a house that young man paid, I think for 6 months.
Wow.
And I think he was paying his mom, something like that. For me, covering his sister, he covered my shame like this.
Yes.
And the food that we ate in that house was being bought by my brothers.
Yeah.
The elder one, and my sister Grace. They also came in for food and necessities and utilities.
For the children.
And the young girl that I mentioned, she came in as a moral support. I had someone we could talk to. We could hold hands and pray. We could cry together. She prayed with me. And she was always here. But saizi, people call her my daughter. But she's my stepsister.
Yeah.
But the bond that we created during that hard time, she took away my pain. She took away my tears. We could pray. Yani, nyagu jana duititito jarishina.
Yes.
Na gari rugin kera. Na rugi yarare. Ne mejo ne mamen. We have moved from our two. Na unda bingzi ajinigumanya. But we were happy. And again, when you come to mental wellness, when you embrace your people, cover your people. When you cover people's shame,
yes,
don't expose it. Cover them. Another story, most people did not know all this. Because when they covered, nilitulia nikwe covered. I allowed them to cover me. So my brother will call me, kuja tukanunue chakula. And my brother always has this secret, usiambie watu. And I have learned from my brother.
Wow.
Nowadays I do a lot of things that siambi watu because he taught me siambi watu fanya mambo yako pole pole, let's do it alone. And I've been doing like that.
Yeah.
So like when you are shopping, unga nini mafuta shopping. Mzata kuja anakuta shopping kani mwa shopping. Kiambo siambi watu.
Oh, your husband
yes, alikuja peke yake kwanza nanga semwanga alikuwa because he was expecting that I'll go back, but I never went back.
Aha.
So I never went back. So
he decided to follow you.
Yeah, he decided not to follow me.
So ukaendelea na biashara yako?
Asi, hata bajana hii nalo katoloni. Na nyana yagara jogi bayani, tayo la jogo entito ino, netuana ira yangai entito ino. Kore nano birura baba lai, netuana maisha yangu kwanza ni imeisha. Nadol mwisho.
Hata yara support
hata support na team my brothers, I still felt empty. Asi nadumanga friend ai. Ngaito mono ni nenjuru ara yole mpaka sai. Amenishikilia sana kwa maombi. Ngara enda sar na Eunice, ndo mono ikang ole kiringai nikivuka toloni nariki. Imagine alijitoa tu siku 3 tukaombe. Maombi shida ni yangu mimi na mtu anaenda, you see how God brings
Mungu
help us. Yes, but then lift us. God brings even people who can lift up
People look and pray for you are really special.
They are very
Hakuna kitu
special.
powerful
Telling
kama
you
maombi.
that woman is special to this heart. I love her, like with all of me. As we prayed, and actually, seriously speaking, I don't know whether I was praying. I think I was just crying.
You're
for the
emotional.
3 days. Yes. Because what do I tell God? The only thing I'll tell God is now I'm alone.
Yeah.
Now come in. Now show me. Atile mambia ho baba.
Just sure.
It was just sitting down and crying like no nonsense. But now you are crying in the presence of God, and that is what makes the difference. Kore viki shugunye dada murajo wore around 2010. My husband alitoka kibirabara na biashara. Kina karaba bollo duga. Nejogi ni pela retisho agu orkeateka long loria baba. So he abandoned me. Nero nagara problem attachment issues. I still want him to serve under me, or we serve together. So kore nabelo aigeno tena biashara.
Why?
Amo kwa nini anaenda kutumikia watu ambao hawanipendi sana? Hiyo ndio ilikuwa inaniuma. So after prayers we come back. God restructures my business. I started selling gowns. Ele wameringilani harusi. Na marondoga. Tayo lora jesho hina marondoga. Mara. So I started now again. Somehow I started, you could come, you have a wedding, I'll do a cake for you. And then somehow you'll ask me, Kaira rumian gown. I'll tell you, Kayagi. Do you know, Nyago gara gown sitiatuaji? In a small house, it was a 1-bedroom house. Paletini.
With children and the husband?
All of them, all of us were in that house. But kai wore kuna kutititoje inipo girare na Syrian, on Nashibai, neti nje boarding. Neti anga yoni boarding. Nyagwa na titoki nyagara, or my sister, na duonariaga, she was too close. So I had them. So now what I need you hivi, what an answer anglani harusi. The way God again restructures your life again. And that one now was born immediately after I came from Catalonia. And from there, God brought about the events management. I started now doing events. And I remember I did one wedding. It was in August 6th, 2012. Boom. Ika explode. Iyo
Ikakupatia connections.
Si nimefanya tarehe 6. Ikazaa ya tarehe 1 Septemba. Ikazaa ya tarehe sijui ngapi Oktoba. Ikazaa harusi 6 za Disemba. Niagunjetu. Yani niago kwa bole ngwenye event. Sasa Mungu akanitoa kwa kazi ya 50s to thousands. Now I was being paid in 20,000, 50,000. Ambiolo na events ajo. Cakes. So Mungu amenitoa kwa level ya keki ya 10,000. Na yesi ya event package ni 40,000. 50. So deposit unaekewa ni 70K.
Wow.
Then I'm like, you know, sometimes people could put me money and I'm like, wow.
Wow, you're back on your knees.
Yani God brought me back to my legs. And I was like, oh my God, you are a faithful God. And after that, God now prepared me. It became like this. So, sikurudi tena.
Alijibu maombi.
Mungu alijibu hiyo maombi. Yani aliingia tu vile tu nilimwambia sasa wewe kuja ukue baba yangu. Mungu aliingia tu pap. He became my father.
Wow.
And he held me like this. And if I did a wedding for you, out of you I'll get 5. Out of her I'll get 5. Out of another 5. So my clients, it became a continuous circle.
Wow.
Kwa narandomo no kumok nasira tense tengobo orgabuje. It's because of me. I'm the first woman.
Ulinunua di tents?
Nilinunua mpaka tents zangu.
Ngoingoni.
Now a great eventier. Very good planner. And I would study in my phone. You know, I shanga ina membris a research. I can do research personally. So I researched the industry. And I invested on the industry. So when you paid me, I'll go pay attend. You pay me, I pay attend. So per year, our rent's 5. From me. What? By 2014,
you had a whole package.
I had a R&D 500 capacity all Lorigan. Now I show my nephew Lorigan 200. Na 10 mbili now got 750 packets.
Your cousin gave you?
My nephew, kijana wa brother yangu.
Yes.
Yeye alifunga yake. He was a boy. So akafunga yake. Juu alikuwa amenunulia girlfriend. Girlfriend alipoenda na jogi anti vitu zinapotea nala yao. Nikaziokoa. Zingine ziliuzwa na wakora. Gari ngombe mkarani. So nikaokoa kidogo. Nayo okoa 250 package. Na yao nabo niki. So now got 750 capacity. And God became.
And you moved
God.
from the 1 bedroom.
And I again left nalo kanyora na ile mashtaka ilikuwa ni ukweli. Mimi najipenda. I love life.
Nilanga gino.
Nalo self kajini stand alone.
Wow, this story is nice.
20 October 2014. Ara Prince mtoto wangu wa 4 amezaliwa. Haiwo narumengiria yoni later on. Nebonu nerumnisha family bank opportunity na jige kuitaki. I savera inagara nimefanya to savings between I am now on my line. Prayer is working. The helpers are there. God is supporting me. Nagara.
Your eyes are open.
I nyangara nyola rita sar 110.
Wow.
He paid for me. And he paid me some little money. Asi. And I'm telling you, Nebul, Lady Family Bank, we are going to Turkey and Dubai.
What were save?
What were business entrepreneurs. Yeah. And the manager approached me. And I went to Turkey.
Wow, you had a passport?
Yes, I had a passport. I even have it right now.
Wow.
You need a passport even.
I do.
Everybody needs a passport.
Because passport. So if you want to invite us to share your story at the United States,
we can do it.
We have a passport already.
Yes. So, and that is how God opened a door. Nikajipata sasa nimeenda na hiyo business club. Tukaenda.
Nilo yanga nako yatanga ngino.
Kage mena nyangwa.
Do any rent.
And I agree rent. Amoka I need na space. Ewe na big hemai lorikan. Era nakara era kairoshi kara
ndo. Kayuna ramatisho.
Kayuna ramatisho. Kayuna nara na ruimbo. Na kanyor ke on. Ayuna rengugu yor mayai. You know?
Eminyangu.
Eminyangu. Kale kadamu ka Ukikuyu ni kazuri.
Ni kazuri hiyo damu. Ukichanganyisha na ya Masai.
I reached a point and I was telling God, by the way, ripendo shinano. Amoga na nikironi nikiashirukoi. Oh, Kikuyu. Then one day I looked at me and I looked at how aggressive I am. Na jogi angai ashe tangara yo sarge leyeyo. Ashe. Amure ni melo sarge mayo lajo kanara kayati na mayo lajo kanara nyino sirankera ine after na retrenchment when a hardship walking nikietu mayolo kai wore rangara kilo sarge let me settle for less. I am always up and about. Kore na balo
nibo Turkey
nalo Dubai na shorungi lani harusi. That is now my shop, my bridal shop Kitengela was opened.
You have a bridal shop right now?
I have a bridal shop in Namunyak, Pale Sarafina, room number 9. Tunauza imported gowns, very nice gowns.
You went to Turkey now?
Naya ungilani ya harusi. Gowns.
You are a power.
Onki bedini. Onamuka. In fact, my brother Jackson, he was having his wedding that year, 29th of December. His wife was the first bride to put on my gowns.
On a Turkey?
Yes.
Wow.
To put on an imported, not a custom-made gown.
Wow.
His wife was the first one.
So, watu wanahaya?
Watu wanahaya.
So, azitoki
yeye alinunua.
Yeye alibuy.
Yeye alinunua because he wanted to support me. So, he paid 35,000 to buy that imported
gown. Mtu akitaka kununua 35?
Saizi imeshuka. Saizi ni 25 ukitaka kununua. Kibeti tunauza 1,500 ile clutch bag. Viatu tunauza 2,000. We have everything bridal. Everything the bride will want. We have them. Because that is where grace has taken us. So from there, Ricky's bridal shop was born, and I continued, and business, and God came.
God came through. Alone.
And so people would come, mtu anakuja niambie, nakumbuka nikinunua mashini juu nilifika mahali ya kushona sasa hizi nguo za maharusi. Kuna galani made panel za Masaini. Nanu bana ile na style.
Yani ukienda kwa tents una study the kuna wimbo wakinaje uniki
exactly. So if you come to me, I have a full package for any event that you want. Right now you come, you want tents, you want portable toilets, you want a gown, you want hizi nguo za kushonwa za panel. I do all that by the grace of God.
Wow.
And I don't struggle. It flows out of me.
Yeah.
It's so easy for me.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a walk on the park.
Wow.
The only challenge I had is that I was starting to grow financially with my children.
Yes.
So my money is going to my children. And I don't regret because now I have 2 graduates in my house. My son is an engineer. My daughter is she's a nutrition and dietetics.
Wow.
With her degree and him with his degree.
Wao wengine ni wadogo.
Ni wadogo. Na wangan anabaki na job aishoyo. Na wangan na bana job aishoyo aisho my dad and replace. She'll be going to campus this year. By God's grace amemaliza form 4. The young man who was born in 2014, he just finished his KPSC.
Hakuwa uko Malindi.
Yeye hakuwa Malindi. Yeye amezaliwa wakati wa neema.
What?
So,
oh my God, that's so powerful.
That's so powerful.
Yani
grace.
Grace.
Yes. When we say
from
beaten,
high zero.
Yeah, when you read there, it's beaten but not broken. Life is full of challenges. Things happen. Trauma doesn't end. It is always here and about. So we proceeded so well. Nikiendelea tobera niendelea biashara yako profitable. Nelotu 2020. Amara 2020 emetejoki apa keep distant.
Yes.
Kanga ina nyanga ya misho.
Mi kwanza niliolewa 2020. My wedding had
2 people. 15 people.
Hi.
Yes.
It was bad.
So it really again affected us. But it did not destroy. Iru sigi sugar na bagulio mushelo ibo. Iru kishugo ini. Because ore belo COVID. At least we had some savings. Nenyage nyengerenda. Nikiasina na kutiti aba events na right na kara. Nisho yoga ngayembiris. So fast forward nikibunu 2022.
Ukasimama.
Na sasa nikasema
yangu ngoni harage.
Unajua, and let me tell you, growth is constant. Even you right now as you are here, don't ever allow yourself to be constant, yani permanent and pensionable. No. See yourself in other levels. See yourself growing.
Yes.
See yourself, look for someone doing higher than you. See yourself in the, let me use this Kenyan whoever who is very loud. You see yourself in the levels of Obina, let me say that.
Elenen?
Yeah, Gigu show, Obina show. I want you now to start focusing that level. The moment you limit what you see, you are limiting the grace of God upon your life. So when I about 2020, I say, iko nini tukitafuta ikiti ya MCA hata sisi tumeenda shule bwana.
Nero iwogi yorene.
Nero nigrasi ngara Masai ne ngoba ndena. We nara kore lori ke gra ngoro kore make nera kora bare wode lo sigon sholinge gra Masai nanu Omarush ogaisha. Orgijana ilanga Marias. Kraja.
Ongwan.
Loro. Nigera make tomonoile mayoro inare. Nemengo benye. Kore nkumoi na ligwale ngo bor maisurin.
Eji.
Kai
lo shinje rumiana na
Neron kai ninje rumiana golo. Na rirundro mono bago olo nya singer na riarwa na grass nje bonu engorweri gore tengo pang. Kore yogi noror Masai de nigi yogi ba ya nilang ola la sharalan ki yunege ndashe. Neji
Kanyoroi.
Igage enegashi ngoru makori. Oloriga. Lo ingware ngorwa maisi peme ngoru nanu einuti orga buti oloriga. Kanyo ina. Najo yage tenar Masai langinji.
Na no long da emirigini Masai nemo. Emirigini
Masai. Enyo idora embresa erigore ongera engulugoni ngobini. Embresa ngirua ginyi. Neneje ndomo nino kingoru oloriga mbonga kiroi. Ami yola joka yeimu ankai. Kore rana rigore ne ankai yoshinesho rigore. Neme lazima eriaba nano la shela ila riaka kore le marilang nanganye korombe daga gero shilari gweruko. Mesharu yobo gino berere. Me yoru pookin Kenya naaku irpastani. Namajito
ketejo dira nta ilalikiorok.
Kera yiok ilarikiorok. Kake ekiakutu Kenya pookin ilarikiorok.
Kake ore sinye ilalikiorok nerikore ina.
Nerikore te kiwango enye. Neetae ilarikiorok ata sinche irmalimuni naa ilarikiorok lenkisuma. Kake maranyare apa nanu aaku emwalimui. Neeku kajoki ake irpayiani embung'aki intomonok inyi erishata erikore. Tenejo entomononi ino kayieu naaku enkarikoni, mintoki taa aibooki enkop. Amu iyie enaduo ake natejo, iyie taa egirai ailepunye. Enino ake enkisisa, enino enkanyit. Ore kuna kishu okuna mali naatumi tena kisiayiare, enkang' ino taa eyauni.
Nemeji ne
keji ake nkishu. Keji ake nkishu enkang'. Endaang' nitii. Meponu enkang' ang'. Nanu ake nairime inare entito enkang' Korompoi. Kake ore mali naa nendaang' natii. Asi, nekijing' ina kinyang'anyiro. Kira taa irmaasai aja? 4. Vile natolikio. Ormeek 16.
Nibaya ballots.
Arabayie nanu mpaka ballot.
Orkokoyo.
Erabayie ore apa ina list nikira 20. Nikirabaitie lelo pookin amu kila oltung'ani netii enchama enye.
That's amazing.
Nelotu empiris naaku namba kajo ore apa kara apa namba 3.
Tonyua oleng.
Atonyua. Hona enkai tomononi apa natii ninye idewueji natiaka ulikuwa namba 3 najoki seriously. Najo
Ndio apa indoki aifuatilia.
Kore apa nanu challenge nara financial. Amu I heartbreak na tena my family sana ilo my brother le my mention sai
nikijoki
hona ekera yiok ilarikio ore tejoito nija tenemuoyu ninye ilo na nanu saingine nalaki olchani tenelotu yani oltung'ani oshi li support na ninye saingine likioshi enkaina
kanyosa
amu olom kedol oshi lo tung'ani ana ingira aishi atadua apa nanu adol ana olom na tenaa kasujita taatake kasujita ake tenara kini naa kara ake kini kake kara sinanu nyoo enduata ai
yata siye path no
kila mtu enduata ai
enduata
neeku tapalaki tu matusuja enduata ai tenimiata yie sawa mayiana kitu nija tapala nanu maikuna aja matusuja enduata ai asi itu naa pitosha yiok kura natiaka nai kore apa ina nitu atum ina lorika na ninye apa laiwiteng'en imbaa kumok kore inakata kitii na kinyang'anyiro aiterua apa ake nanu as Bachelor of Theology asiri inakata degree ai e theology nas naidip nalotu aidip no 20 kajo kaiwe aidip 2023 2024 musho aiwe aidip na degree asi nakata taa ewuo kore pikiponu ai-graduate amu ataasa ena degree te university American University it was a virtual online course so kora banye lecture lang na ng'ambo yani kistreamia na kusuma kake kore graduation kitaasa live ewo Kenya nejo na kayu tung'anak laisho honoris nejo eng'urakaki larikok laisho honori asi najo duo oshi maata olom nasuj ilarikok lang aing'oru oltung'ani nailokoni aisho ena honori imagine nalau oltung'ani loihona na request ilo professor apa keji Professor Mathu. Nalau. Nejo Mathu kore amu utonyua aing'oru and I've been told you are also running for a position of leadership. I am going to honor you.
Wow.
Yes.
And now you're called doctor.
That is how I got honored with a honorary, a divinity honor.
Neeku mebesha ba nena campaigns.
Mebesha ba nena campaigns. Najoki you're a leader and you are not jealous. So I will honor you. That is how I got honored.
That is so amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. And then when did you start writing books? Your story is like right now we are at almost 2 hours.
So I continued again and I was so excited. The book Naked, help me that book Naked. Kore Naked, this book has been in draft for over 7 years.
7?
Yes. As a manuscript. You know you have written and it is kept there in the drawer and it doesn't come out. So after I got this honorary and I got this doctor, I was like, where is my manuscript? You know, I started now, mama kwani kitabu uliacha? So I picked my book and that is now when it got published.
Wow.
This book, I think it got published in 2020, I think 4 or 2020. Yeah, the copyright was made in 2024.
Yes.
Immediately after I got that honorary, I published the book. And then I was like, oh, God is faithful.
Yes.
And immediately I started selling the story. Now, nagara we realize that some things happen. I don't know whether if I got this position of an NCA,
Yes.
I don't know whether I could have acquired this honorary. And I don't know whether I could have acquired this book,
Yes.
Mayolo. I don't think so. Because this book now came after the realization of me. Who am I? Because I had to go back now to the drawing board. Who is Rachel Korompoi? What is inside of me? What do I carry? What is my virtue? Why did I want to become a leader?
Yes.
And then that is now when it dawns on me, I go, oh, I am a mentor.
You're a mentor.
Yes. And then now God started bringing the me. In 2020, that time, Mikiji others had entered coaching, life coaching. Life coaching is all about talking to people to accept themselves, to love themselves, to embrace who they are, to share, and to be able to be full, available in their own lives. So, kore navas narogi naji life coaching. I am a certified life coach.
Wow.
And I'm also a certified mental health consultant. So, the teacher who trained me on life coaching called me to mental wellness. And I told her, Karo, she's called Coach Karo, and I was like, me, Karo, yo kitu siwezi. Mimi siwezi. Najogi Rachel, you cannot become my first
life coach.
You cannot become not just a life coach. I was so good in class. So good. Najo, you cannot become so good in something and tell me you cannot.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yes.
And again, I went to the drawing board, nurse research, and mental health. Then,
And this book was born.
and then this book was born. Because I was like, why is she so sure that I can do this mental? What is can you read mental health?
Yes.
So I had to go read about it. Nurse research, I think, for like 6 whole months. And that is when I started getting engagements with Olin Sako. Arasaro engagements in mental health, facilitation with different groups, women groups, schools, mentoring them on mental health and stress management.
Yes.
Because
kegol nara lunga na gegraima. Nisulagi analelero.
Pai nagara rajo kumbe wore rina sinana na bagata kumbe I had a problem. And if it was not for my sisters, I would have died. I would have lost my life.
Yes.
Yolajo kiara lungana kare neme yoluera lungana ajo kanyo nedi jemengida. Engida rarina raraina. Yo yega nyamaliara. In fact, the nilo nyana rewa so bila igliwa no about me. Because you need to get na kara yo ka bu yo lo. Engida na ta gore ne gweji anarishira korba yana ngajese kanyana dala. But do people know that you are sleeping hungry? Do they know that you don't have school fees for your children? And because of the fear, you cannot go advertising.
Yeah.
Kanyamal, I have this. You cannot tell everybody. Mental health is real.
Yes.
And Nyamali on the munot
Is real.
Kera. Na kera ndomono. Kore 99% on ndomono gormasai.
Nayama.
Nayama. Kera mental health issues.
Yes.
Yeah. Na kore ndoki niranyamali yo zaidi. Mikiera oltungali kingari lomondi jokulo. Kinjo nyetwa rana mije platform. Ashe ninyana numeli. Ndira baba sidai.
Ashe.
Kinkuna nyana no mai aibugo stress.
Yes.
Ombo shini mikilimu. Because
and it's true. It's good when you share.
Yeah.
Because now they will not use it again.
Exactly.
Because you've already told us.
Yes.
No.
And by the way, personally, I always share. Since I realized the power of my voice, I speak.
This is a very good story.
Yeah.
I'm so inspired and ayani kera geni nyendo gnarengena.
Tata. So after this one, Neloru Tenagara, healing of the African woman.
Story no sasa.
Now this one, Nola Jogigero, healing of the African woman.
beaten but not
broken. Kore naadini naa nkatini onkituak matejo pookin e Africa. Kituak edua paiger healing of the Masai. Amu suppose pa Masai natii enewueji Africa. But because I wanted the book to heal women
all over
Africa, I wrote it as an African inspiration. Amu we are in trouble. We have a lot of trauma. Nisulaki entito ormaasai, entomononi ormaasai. Amu ore trauma edukuya nikiata emurata.
The first one.
Ore roshi narok na FGM metia yok moyo. Inatuvunja moyo. Ore emurata naa ekijuto ake no. Mikintoki amurata nkera ang aisilisili seseni lenye. Ore rapa pitobiri yok Enkai, nitobiriwa yok era complete.
Yes.
Meeta roshi entoki ninye natipika Enkai ele sesen na mishoro pikiata. Kila erubata nikiata tele sesen naa kishoro. Tenemuru apa yieu Enkai nemurati entito anare igero te Biblia nena pakata peejoki Ibrahim naa tumurata taanyo olayiok linonok pookin. Anare apa etejoki nejia.
Anare tiaka tumurata layiok ontoyie inonok.
Mifaa peemurati entito. Neeku kajoki ake irmaasai lang ematapal Kenya ena toki nemeretito yiok. Amu ore emurata naa oloisilisili ake loondamunot pikitata ntoyie inyi. Amu keyami oltung'ani nelo aaku pesho. Yani faida oltung'ani obo ake natii inewueji. Aya, ore enkae trauma nikiata kira nkera ormaasai, early marriage. Enaji naa keisho ake enkerai form 4. Njoo taatoi kiyami. Kanyor oshi
nakinyi enkerai e form 4.
Naa kinyi enkerai e form 4. Sidai taatoi kiyama, kake keya nemesidai. Mesidai kiyama nasari. Kore tenakata nanu asara sapuk naimayie naa ina kitisho. Karapakini oleng, eton itu imature akili, eton ake I take advantage of my decisions, eton maata say, eton maata entoki nayiolo as an individual. Enajokini yau mpisai e biashara naishooyo pookin. Yau esimu naishooyo. Yani maata keon, eton mayiolo. I don't know which word I want to use.
Yes.
But I still don't have ownership of my voice, of me.
Of you.
Yes. Na ina papa irukayie esiai e IBC. Atiaka nai there was a time kaigero apa. Kore nanu paariki kaigero te IBC. Kore payami naing'ua esiai. Nitu ashukunye. Naajokini ira sawa. Najo orpayian uko sawa. I am employed. I will take care of you. Yes. Aigero apa oltasat lojo le sekendo. Lanye apa itasheki IBC.
Neeku labda enara itii IBC.
Anara naralaku oleng. Kake kore piitrenjo oltasat lai nakata ajoki shomo ng'oru olapa tasat likingerito te IBC pikishukoki esiai. Kore paalo naing'or oltasat niishir ole sekendani enkerai kiti. Kore paadol niishir oltasat.
Nejo midimayu.
Naajoki neng'otonye kai taa apa ishomo. Kang'ae apa nikintawuo tesiai? Who sacked you? You sacked yourself. And that is what is happening right now toonkera ang' ormaasai. Kiyam oltung'ani enkerai mwalimui nejoki tupuku tesiai ormwalimui.
Amu
kaata nkishu iramatisho. Mikincombine efforts. Niyau yie ninonok 20 nayau nainei 10 anake ina shilingi nikintutum niaku 10. Eme nijia retu ama tenintau oina kisuma apa naisuma menye. Aya kuna kera nemeeta ina mind najorie nai kaitoki ashuko sukuul. Anyaka nanu ashuko sukuul. By God naa kaikonyayie. Kore ina degree natiaka e theology kaikonyayie. Amu kajo kalo sukuul najokini nkera kayiera daisum tenaa nkera ainei.
Eewuo apa orpayian netum esiai.
Itu biashara ake kiti. Tina biashara kasima keon. Naishikilia lelo pastani apa latipika atua ina sukuul. Neeku ore paajo mimi leo sina school fees najokini endelea na classes. Nalakilak nkeek 5.
This is so amazing. Rorie sie nkera naata shida labda enkerai yani hata ndamunot nagira itanyamal ndamunot nesulaki kuna university unapata tu mtoto wengine wanajitoa uhai because of TikTok mom. Kebore TikTok nkera yani they are not productive.
Kore rena rendo inatanyamalita nkera dola na traumas nagira ajo kimakitia emurata entito kimakitia early marriages. Kiera nkai trauma netanyamalita ntomonok GBV. Elarabal.
Hiyo ni mingi.
Longangi. Na egioshi nikintauni lala kake milimu ajo orpayian do larosho naitawuo lala. amungire gaja I cover damu do agira no sagi story najogi kaigilikuan papa najogi ya kagira cover kara sawa ginia ira sawa papa kara sawa over na roligyo papa la yajo mara sawa maybe my story could have changed. Now kore na ndogi naitanyamaliza ngera tenarishara one kiri dunia na very competitive. The competitive life oleng. Ne yeuni mpisai oleng. Ne yeuni ndogiting sidan oleng. Ne yeuni ngilani sidan. Yani kila kitu yani simu hii ndogiting nanjona na naitanyamalira yo nikijoki nkera meera yoshi kejoshi Maasai era endogi naji kemayianat endoshi naji kore mayianat enkai na keponu akiti kake meera nyo orkiyoi
meera naimutieki ret
nemeera naimutieki ret entonyogroi esumara ama oltung'ani losumita menye kingira apa ilina aisum nikilakini school fees opoki toki emintiringa roi nisuma nipal pressure me lazima roji wore tenera sijui enjorwerino esimu ani urara ajo esimu 120 ade nkiria na shekini kini na ade esimu 100
which phone is that?
I don't know the name kayola it's a very expensive phone. And kore welo na
kini nara 124
kore na kiti she's very young but the phone she's carrying is 100 I think and something. Na kore bailiwa nejo simama fisi ndisimu poa sai and she's my sister. And I'm like can you ndasi na simu? You know, it's only for camera and TikTok. And the vibe that I have an expensive phone. Now I joking kera ama roboro.
Si kama wewe siku ile ulikuwa unangangana at that age. Ukipata hiyo 124 umekelea biashara.
Hiyo ingekuwa ni capital moja poa sana. So na joking na Maasai na ishempirisina engayempiris na gerira na rambugu. Kwa na bugu na runati aka ejijikoni. Na enasujirena after healing there comes rising kajore niki tenaidip sinyina na kalotu ake nikibonu sinyaimake the rising of the African woman because after you heal you don't remain in your ashes you rise from the ashes you recognize your voice you use it positively na inarana bara nanu a mentor in business. I am a mentor in entrepreneurship. I am a mental health consultant. I mentor young girls. I mentor women my age. I mentor young women like you because you must realize that this world that we are in right now is not that world. So we need to be spiritually alert, physically present, and know that we are running a race. We are running a race against time and growth. Na lazima biya ngani focused. So may thank God I've been able to write these books. This one is all about trauma and how to heal from it. Na ibirodu ajoga sabu. Wala nabugu talks about trauma, healing and reflections. Dola ajoga ra pages ni jogona. So after you read a chapter, you'll find places to reflect on your life, and then you can write on it. Not another chapter 6 nagejo mental health and female leadership, rising above fear and self-doubt. That is one chapter in this we have covered. Kwa chapter 13 nagejo wealth creation and empowerment. Again, this is all about women. Somebody was looking at it and said, why are you not writing about men? It is because women, we go through a lot. And we carry our husbands. We carry our children. We carry our home. I carry my home where I'm born. And I carry my home where I am married. And I'm carrying my society. So you can imagine the burden of a woman. Whereas right now men, mtu ataamka kwa mfano tukitumia wenyago Kitengela. Kama anauza mbuzi Orgunjai ataenda pale kichinjio auze mbuzi zake 3. Aingize 1000 yake 21 kwa mfuko. Aende pale Selelo akunywe chai. Na ako sawa. Na ako sawa. Na ite siku. Na lunch time akule nyama kilo 2 na jioni ataenda na kapipa bag kadhao. Lakini wewe mama, uko hapa, sasa umekaa hapo mama. Pengine kichwa yako inagonga mtoto umeacha kwa nyumba. Na umekuja hapa kutimiza your what is making money, kazi, na urudi ukimbie kwa nyumba. Sasa urudi ukakue mama. That is the burden that women have. Women, we are more heavier. but God is giving us
The
grace to break through. So karibuni, we have a launch on this book, and you can get these books. I'll give Mary my number.
Yeah.
My number is 0721 28 30 21.
Wow.
Rachel Korompoi.
Kayeti launching.
My number is 0721 28 30 21. Rachel Korompoi. Launching itakuwa Manzul Restaurant, Menengai Road, Upper Hill.
Upper Hill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Na entrance fee ni 5,000 for those who will pay late, and for early risers you can pay 3,000.
Yes.
I'll give Mary my till number, and you are welcome. You support this dream, we reach more women.
Wow.
We as Ricky's, me as Rachel, that's my brand name, Daktari Rachel. I'll give Mary maybe 5 books, which she can choose to offer her clients.
Wow.
I also support the organization,
The
Smala organization. We support that. So I'll give 5 copies of Naked, because these ones are still being printed. So I'll bring 5 copies. You can sell them to whoever you want, and you sell them at 1,000.
Yes.
This one is selling at 1,500, but once you pay that fee of 3,000, you are getting a copy, and if you pay that 5,000, you are also getting a copy.
Yeah.
So
for those who will be attending.
Even if you pay and you don't attend, we'll still forward the book to you, because we are trying to make the information go out so that women can be healed. Also, kwa na buku kerangadin ondomono. I've been a listener. I think I told you it's all about storytelling and listening.
And you're good.
I'm so good. So I listen to stories. Like you give me a story, I have published a lot of stories here.
Yeah.
Although I don't put their names.
Yeah.
But in The Rising, that book we call The Rising of the African Woman, I have put my personal stories. Yes, I've
The
put
Rising.
The Rising.
Not the story.
Even here, there is, I think it is in chapter, I can't remember, but I think it is in chapter where it is about leadership. My name appears there because I have been into leadership. I know what society can do to you. I know what family can do to you. I know how they can backstab you, how they can break your heart. And I can only tell women, amkeni enyo irona romonok engoru lorigan le MCA le women rep le MP ole kanisa ole deacon ene pastoral ene community
ene bishop
en romono nyake yere nini ngiro yara narogi loge ole rigore enyo irengoru lorigan le ngobinyi kora ba londo lo sirkon na girengela kiara mayuna yer mangati kai kiara lungana liongora tomono ile na kore ronitu yasina nomination kajo kekira 50. Kore Maasai kajo kirake lelongwa na ke lora baide na ballot. Emanyiro Maasai enyiro ndomonok ormaasai. Mintoki kiagila rauja. Entonyok amu kidimie yook Enkai pee kimbung olosho lang nikimbung eishoi ang. Entijing sii biashara. Mikintoki alang Kitengela. Imagine kore apa elong easita inake elections na ward e Kitengela. Madam Nyanda na ketii enkito ormaasai apa lo naitashoti na ward. Na baba katoning'o natejo tenkutuk kakitu ebaya. Kanyoo toi kiasita? Emanyito amu Enkai toi naitobirua olee naitobirua sininche yiok. Nekiata ake sii yiok akili, nekiata nkonyek, nikiata irkimojik 10 toonkaik o 10 toonkejek. Neeku kakinyanyuk gender taake napaashari. Naa kekindim ake sii yiok ataas. Magil anaa ake nataasa Deborah te Biblia, naataasa Esther te Biblia, naataasa entomononi Ruth te Biblia, naataasa Naomi, naataasa Dorokasi. Ekindim ataas nena pookin naataasa apa sinche entomonok apa. Nimikiata. Kore tina buku najo The Rise of the African Woman kajo kepuku by next month. Ketii nkatin ontomonok.
Siku hiyo kwa launch.
Ketii ntomonok, ketii nkatin ontomonok magil na ketii ninye nelo osho lang. I include ntomononi jo no Mary Senator, include ntomononi jo no Peristobiko, no Lea Sankaire. Enda kitok oshi naji Karanja, enda governor Nakuru, no Mili. Amu mpaka rwepiki nangsilik nikidol nkulie kituak naataasa mbaa magil. No Katilili Menza, nkituak yapa kake naikirikirie loshon na kekindim toi siyiok no win free offer ngera apa nena na affecta society nibokini enkop kake ninyototo aaku nkituak naibelekenya enkop enye joki ena ntomonok enyoito na enyoito amu there is room, there is chance. Ore rikore enakop mikimput enchalan ang ake namitiki yiok ibaikini. Nakajo ake tena TV emetii supet, ashe mamai, ashe dadai, metamayiana ntae Enkai. Na tenitoki na Enkai buku alotu kishukunye akene. Nikiponu ake aas alimu lomon nikiret enkop ang.
Thank you so much, Daktari. I'm so inspired. Yani, I don't know. I feel good. One of the best stories I've done. Thank you so much. Na olengura nilemeri supet life enye todua mbana imaye kumbe there was scars of greatness stars yani hizo ni scars.
Yes. Kore rising na gejo from dust to grace.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow, this is so amazing. I want to share this story cause mtu mwenye angalia story utakuwa nyuma. Hii story bana ni mzuri sana. Nagra yugerisha dena mayana. Thank you so much, ma'am. Tutasaidia ku market hiyo launch na kayola joge bonuni. God bless you nyangu na bugui. You will contact us. Amugi enjoy your number inonokti ni weji. Nyolongane yuka yetumiki.
Yognara.
Yenara.
I don't need to. We are planning. There is a library. I was told they sell the books.
Yes.
Kuna mali wanauza.
Keseba.
So I'm still organizing on that.
Wow.
Yeah.
So God bless you so much.
So in no long launching zitakuwa available.
Yes.
Healing has to come with the rice because they have to be.
They are one.
Yeah, they are one. They are like twins. Yes.
Na showing tangaragi your aggressiveness.
Thank you.
Eruginde mosiligi like venye nitushuke nyuma because of the wrong decision labda pani maker.
Yes.
Wow, that's so amazing. I'm so much encouraged.
Thank you.
Yeah, olainguna nilemeri supetcho kayola jogere ndogi ni lana. Ite tudodwa na stories. Kajo 3 hours na part 2. God bless you so much. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to share your story, keri namba ngine weji ngoruyo, come and inspire. Inspire longanak, come share your story. Na kia ku eke mayana nkayo leng, asho leng Jeff, Tenebo or Ann. That's all my people. God bless you guys. Ka jimeri supet nara enele shao. Eke ye na yagusim.
Asho leng.